Hello guys. I'm starting a YouTube video on Adopt Me. Yeah. I hope you subscribe or like. I'm gonna be trying to trade a sloth that I have. ABC trading a sloth. Let's see. Usually they say ABC. This is a good pet right here. This pet costs 1,000 Robux. Let's see, no one said ABC yet. Yeah. I guess I'm just gonna have to send people trades and see what they trade. Declined. It's a little laggy. This guy looks rich. He probably already has it. Let's see. Oh, he's willing to trade a pumpkin carriage. I don't think that's worth it. Let's try doing that. See if he trades something else. He's adding. Now, I'm good. Let's see what this person will trade. Naruto. Oh, 'cause it runs like Naruto. That's funny. I say Naruto. I think it's like Naruto though. Wow. They had a flying. Wow. I'm gonna ask for the parrot. Can I have the parrot? Probably not, cause it's not a good trade for them. Whoa, what the? Okay. Poor dog. Um, so no one wants the sloth so far. Well, that thing's kinda cool. I've got scammed a few times, but I'm good. I'm not, like, I'm not good at this game, but psychopath? Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is the same person, so they're gonna decline. Let's try this person. Sorry, it's a little laggy. If you watch out, because there's a lot of people scamming this game with Robux and stuff. Someone just got scammed. Oh, there's also a Halloween event. I have this throwing pumpkin. See, need a pet there. You throw it like that, so it's like a toy. And then I got this, which makes you jump high. Obviously, it has that face because it's called a creepy balloon. And the other stuff: skeleton pogo, banjo, pumpkin carriage. There's a shadow dragon, zombie buffalo, evil unicorn. Wow, that looks cool. A bat dragon. Wait, a bat dragon? A throwing pumpkin, axe rattle, grappling hook, creepy balloon, propeller Ferris wheel, and a stroller, cauldron stroller. Oh, I'm gonna get back to trading. Oh, I can't see. Oh. DJ Pango. What will you trade for that? Or are you not gonna put anything? Okay. This person has a dragon. Are you willing to trade a dragon? Or something good? Oh, you already have the sloth. Well, I have a riding sloth. Okay. No. That person has what's it called? Like, it's a dark, evil unicorn, yes. Okay. This person, Alex. Well, will you trade anything good? No? Mr. Red. Here, I'm coming back to you, Mr. Red. Midnight Universe? Red, Mr. Red. Do you want the sloth? Oh, this again? Is that all? I'm gonna say, ooh, I'm not sure. You could buy that, you could buy both of these. Hmm. I don't think. I don't know. Can you add more? Or something different? Or something different. Crossbow? You could buy that too. I'm not gonna trade it. It's a bad trade. I'm gonna ask for a pet. I want a pet. Yelling at him now. Oh, it's a girl. Wait, is it? Oh, it is. Oops. A crocodile and a shinobu. I don't know. Oh my gosh, whose is this? Is it yours? Hello? Yes, don't go into the whiteness. Aw. I'm going to see. I'm following you. Okay, I'll trade you then. Whoa, lag. Whoa. Look at that house right there. There's a dragon in the back, I see it. Oh, finally accepts. There's a dragon right there, that's so cool. Wait, hold on. Let's see if we can go in. Aw, lock the door. Wait, I can't move. Oh, for a second I could not move. My video's about to end. For a riding sloth. I will try it one more time. It's pretty sad. I can't get any trades. No one. Still. This person. I'll try. Oh, someone sent me a request. What will you trade? A dogmobile. Oh, dragon. Oh, unicorn. Whoa, everybody has good stuff. What are you willing to do? A rare? A dogmobile. A lemonade stand. Wow, people really want these sloths. Oh, are you serious? Oh, I was about to say that would have. No, there's a lot of people over here. A riding beaver. Nope. I want to trade with you, sir. Jack, you are a cat. Jack the cat. And Sandy. Oh, Sandy. My sister is watching this video. Are you really? Well, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you subscribe.